Hey there, zookeepers! Here's how to hire staff in Planet Zoo. If you're new to the game, hiring staff is quick and easy. To do this, click the Zoo button in the bottom left corner of your screen to open the Zoo overview. On the left side, click the Staff tab, represented by the person wearing a hat. This will display a list of all the staff currently working in your zoo. Below the list, you'll find the Hire Staff section. Here you can hire different staff members, including caretakers, keepers, mechanics, veterinarians, educators, security guards, and more. Simply select the type of staff you need. For this example, let's hire an educator to help improve our zoo's education rating. After clicking the button, your cursor will be holding the new staff member. Just click anywhere in your zoo to place them, and they'll immediately join your team. I'll also hire a few extra mechanics to help with facility maintenance and habitat barrier repairs, as well as assist with research when needed. As your zoo grows, hire staff based on your zoo's current needs, but try not to overhire. Having more employees than necessary can significantly increase your operating costs. And that's all of it. If this video helped, please leave a like or comment and subscribe to the channel for more straightforward guides. Thanks for stopping by, and see you in the next side quest.